Welcome to a transformative workshop, my ninth one, where I'm going to help you supercharge your focus and resilience as we navigate the final few months of 2023. If we've not met before, my name is Tim Wagner, and I'm thrilled to invite you for my ninth collaborative workshop dedicated to help you staying focused in 2023 through all the trials, tribulations, hassles, issues, and problems that we experience. And on September the 28th workshop, we're going to delve deeper into the mindful momentum. And this workshop is aimed to equip you with all the tips and maintain you with the strategies to keep you focused and resilient right up until the end of the year and beyond. Perhaps like me, you found that this last month has been, a little bit more challenging than you hoped it would. You've tried many different strategies and you've put experimentations into place on social media and your message and your client approaches, but it hasn't yielded you the success that you were actually hoping for. And if that resonates with you, you're in the right place. You see, I've witnessed the firsthand the importance of having a resilient mindset. It's what enables us to navigate the storms when the times get tough. And as the saying goes, anybody can hold the helm when the sea is calm. It's the work that you're putting in during the calm times that takes you through and carries you through during the tough times. So whether you're confidently on track with your goals or you're finding that whatever you're putting into place is just not getting you what you're looking for, this workshop is tailored for you. I'd love to introduce you to Scott Raven. He hails from the US, and he specializes in working with entrepreneurs. Ellie Javits, who from Canada helps you to understand how to take back control of your mind. And Chantal Buerta from South Africa, where she helps you get more yeses in your career and business. Now, of course, you got me, Tim Wagner, as your host, pointing you in a direction to make sure that you're achieving success stress-free. Over the past 8 months, I've had the honor and the privilege of collaborating with the most amazing professional speakers, authors, coaches, and entrepreneurs from around the world. And September promises to be no different. So click the link below now. Register to secure your seat. Now, this may be a free workshop, but do not underestimate the value that you will receive from this. So the 28th of September at 1 p.m. EST, which is 7 o'clock in South Africa, this is the place you want to be. Put in your diary, click the link below, register to secure your seat, and I look forward to seeing you on the 28th.